Welcome everybody. How to solve this value of x? 7 to the power of x plus 7 to the power of 2x plus 7 to the power of 3x, which is equal to 40. So what is the value of this x? Solution: 7 to the power of x plus 7 to the power of 2x plus 7 to the power of 3x, which is equal to 7 to the power of x plus 7 to the power of x the power of 2 plus 7 to the power of x, this x, the power of this 3, which is equal to 40. 7 to the power of x, 7 to the power of x, 7 to the power of x. Let us y is equal to 7 to the power of x. Let us substitute this y plus y plus this is y, so y square plus this is y, so y the power of 3, which is equal to 40. Y plus y square plus y cubed, which is equal to 40, means in other words 2 plus 4 plus 8. This is the same as 40. So come to this left side, this y plus y square plus y cubed minus is 2 plus 4 plus 8, which is equal to 0, so this y plus y square plus y cubed, this multiply through these brackets, minus 2 minus 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. This and this, so y cubed minus 8 plus y square minus this 4 plus this y minus this 2 minus 2, so this together and this together, and here is together, so it's equal to 0. Now what does this mean? Y cubed minus 2 to the power of 3 cubed plus y square minus 2 to the power of 2 plus y minus 2, which is equal to 0. Now this is cubed and this is square, so if this is given, a minus b times I square plus ab plus b square. For this one, based on this, y minus 2 into y minus 2 into y square plus 2y plus 4 plus 2 y minus 2 for this one plus y minus 2 is equal to 0 as a common, y minus 2, and here is y minus 2. So let us find out the common. Y minus 2 as a common, y square plus 2y plus 4 plus y plus 2 plus this one, which is equal to 0. So this y minus 2 common, let's sum up this one. This y square plus y plus 4 plus y plus 2 plus 1. So this y square plus this 2y plus y is 3y, 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7, which is equal to 0. This is equal to 0 and this one is equal to 0. So y minus 2, which is equal to 0, or this one y square plus 3y plus 7, which is equal to 0. So this y is equal to 2. It's equal to 2. Since y is equal to 7 the power of x is equal to 2, take both sides logarithm. The logarithm of x in base 7 is equal to the logarithm of 2. Logarithm of b in base a means that b the logarithm of a. So based on this, x the logarithm of 7 is equal to the logarithm of 2. Then by logarithm of 7 over logarithm of 7. So this means that divide both sides by the logarithm of 7. So this cancel by this. So x which is equal to the logarithm of 2 in base 7. And from this y square plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Solve y. So using the quadratic formula to solve this, here is a, here is b, here is c. So y which is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. So it is a, it is b, it is c. So based on this, y which is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 3 square minus 4 times 1 times 7 over 2 times 1. So y which is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 19 over 2. So y which is equal to 3 minus y is equal to minus 3 plus or minus this 19 times I, since this is negative, over 2. This is y. Since y which is equal to 7 the power of x, so y which is equal to, from this, which is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 19I over 2. Take log both side. Take log both side. So the logarithm of 7x, logarithm of 7x, which is equal to the logarithm of minus 3 plus or minus 19i over 2. This means that x, this come to this, x logarithm of 7, which is equal to the logarithm of minus 3 plus or minus 19i over 2. So divide both sides by logarithm of 7, logarithm of 7. So this cancel by this, so x, which is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 19i over 2 over the logarithm of 7. That is x. So this means that x, which is equal to logarithm of minus 3 plus or minus the radical 90i over 2, and is 7. This is plus or minus, so finally, therefore the x1 from the above solution, logarithm of 2 base 7, and x2, which is equal to the logarithm of minus 3, this is the plus case, the radical 19i over 2 base 7, and x3, which is equal to the logarithm of minus 3 minus the radical 19i over 2 by 7. These are the 3 solutions. These are the 3 solutions. Let's check. Given equations are 7x plus 7x plus 7x is equal to 14. That given equation, and fx logarithm of 2 by 7 is the power of this logarithm of 2 by 7 plus 7 2 logarithm of 2 by 7 plus 7 3 times logarithm of 2 by 7, which is equal to 40. Equal to 40. 7 logarithm of 2 by 7 plus 7 logarithm of 2 by 7, this to the power of 2, this goes to that, plus 7 logarithm of 7 to this cubed goes to that, which is equal to 40. So this and this and this, look, by 7 log 7 gives that what? This 2 plus this to the power of 2 plus this to the power of 3, which is equal to 14. Is it equal? Check it. let's check it. So this is 2 plus this is 4 plus this is 8, this is 14. So this is 14, which is equal to 14. This is all. Thank you. Like this video and subscribe for more. Bye bye.